Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today is the Handmade with Love, a project roundup for May. This is a collab video with other people in it, and I will have a link to the playlist in the description below and also at the end of the video so that you can go see all the other things that people are making. This is sponsored by Gina at Peace, Love, and Homeschool, so make sure you check her out as well. So in this collab video, what we do is we show the projects we've made for the past month. For the month of May, I don't have a whole lot to show you. As a teacher, I've been crazy busy. I have 4 more days left of school, and then I have the summer to create lots of videos, so please come back and check out some of the videos that I have planned for this summer. Anyway, one of the things that I did is this shirt. You may recognize it from a thrift store video that I did, and I will link to that video as well. And I bought this from ThreadUp, the online thrift store. When I bought it, it had cap sleeves with a binding right here, a white binding, and that binding was just way too tight. It was cutting off the circulation of my arms. So I cut out this hole and I made it a cold shoulder shirt by just hemming everything up. And I think it turned out super cute. I've wanted a cold shoulder shirt for a long time and just haven't gone out and bought one. So now I have one. And it's polka dots and it's pink. So the next thing is I did make a couple of graduation presents for a couple of girls that were graduating. You might have seen these in my last month's video where I made some for my friends, these mugs, these Cody mugs. This one is for Grace, and Grace is going off to college at Texas State University. So this is the Bobcat mascot that I ended up cutting out with vinyl and putting on here. I used Sure Cuts a Lot as the program to cut it out. I have an older Cricut where I'm allowed to use Sure Cuts a Lot. If you don't already have it, you can't get it for Cricut, but you could use it with a Silhouette or one of the other types of machines. So I made these mugs, and this one here is for Anna. I only did a little bit of Bible journaling. I need to get back into my Bible journaling a little bit more. But I made this one with Tigger on it that says Leap for Joy. And this comes from Luke chapter 6 verse 23. Rejoice in the day and leap for joy, because great is your reward in heaven. And the way I did this is I found a picture on my iPad and I put it on the other side and I just traced it. And the light from the iPad worked like a light box. Really cool. I've done a few things around the house, like painting these doors and some other projects. I've been teaching myself some new things. Teaching myself how to crochet, but so far I only have a really long chain, so I don't really have much to show you. But I promise this summer I am going to get a lot more crafty. So that's it for now. Make sure you check out all the other videos in the playlist and have a great day crafting away.